Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It is one of the most iconic names in the fashion industry, which is renowned for its elegant and sophisticated designs. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Dior, Dior, or Dior. Christian Dior was a visionary designer who revolutionized women's fashion with his groundbreaking creations, offering a wide range of products including haute couture, ready-to-wear, accessories, fragrances, and beauty products, all of which uphold the brand's prestigious reputation. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Dior, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.